Yo, these could possibly be the worst Travis Scott one colorway of all time, but that's just my opinion. What the? We want to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section down below if you rocking with these or not. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. Hey, what's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'm gonna be hosting today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For this vid, we got the infamous Travis Scott Jordan 1 Elkins, also known as the Canary colorway. I know when this shoe first dropped, it had a lot of mixed reviews. Personally, I wasn't feeling it. However, I'm that type of person that I just have to see the shoe in hand before I give that final stamp of approval. Again, this is just one of those rare cases. After seeing the shoe in hand, I liked it a lot less. Main reason, under all this dirt and grime, it's not really white. Online, I thought it was white, which would have popped and looked good, but it's more of like this neutral dull gray that I'm just not feeling. I think it's a perfect base shoe that Vic could customize it. Hey, yo, Vic, quick question for you. I'm gonna put you on a hot seat. You got 30 seconds. What you doing to this shoe? Let us know, let the people know.
All right, 30 seconds.
Go.
All right, so I would just straight up copy my boy Jordan DM. He recently did this custom where he just swapped out the blue swooshes on both sides, replaced it with green, and it worked beautifully. The green, yellow, and the gray work beautifully together. Brazil tones.
I can see it. I also saw another custom where I think SneakerCon shared it, where all they did was just change the swoosh, made it red, and put the red laces in. It popped a lot more than the blue, grays, yellows, reds.
By the way, your take, hot take, awesome shoe.
Get out of here. Time for me to get back to work. To get this cleaning started, we are gonna be using our essential shoe cleaning kit and our Suede Revive bundle. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, like I said in the beginning of the video, we are gonna be showcasing our essential shoe cleaning kit plus our Suede Revive bundle. However, there are a couple other products that I wanna highlight. First and foremost is just our cleaning mat. I talk about this product a lot, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. Basically, it's just gonna give us that surface to act as a nice clean area so we're not making a mess throughout our cleaning process. And the mat is highly absorbent, so it will soak up any dirty, muddy water that gets on your surface. Next is our dry rack bowl combo. This is gonna act as a bowl of water as well as a place to store our brushes. I already got the bowl of water filled up. Speaking of our brushes, we're gonna be using our soft, medium, and stiff that are all found in your essential shoe cleaning kit. Plus, that kit comes with your towel, plus, of course, your solution. Speaking of solution, let me grab some and squirt that in our bowl of water. The last thing I wanna showcase is our adjustable shoe tree. Unfortunately, this product doesn't come in our essential shoe cleaning kit. However, they are available individually. You can purchase right now at reshoeminator.com. Matter of fact, all the products you see in today's video are available, plus all your other shoe care needs. Don't forget that link in the bio to save you guys some dollar bills. But with that said, I can go ahead and just insert our adjustable shoe tree, remove these laces, but before that, let's get that thing out of here. All right, the shoelaces are removed. In most cases when cleaning the shoe, we typically always recommend dry brushing, trying to get all the dirt and grime off. However, there's no loose dirt on here. All this dirt and grime is literally solidified. It's actually kind of more sticky to touch. I'm not sure what we got on this thing, but we gotta get it looking right. So with that said, I'm just gonna start with our soft bristle brush, dip it in the bowl of water, and just clean this shoe completely even. So let me get on that right now. All right, as I'm working through with the soft brush, I do want to just talk about our soft brush. It's going to be great for all types of material, like what we got on this shoe. It's kind of like a suede nubuck. You don't really want to use any of the harder brushes because it could potentially fray or snag. Again, that's why our soft bristle brush is just great on all types of material, and especially the nubuck on this sneaker. I'm all done with the soft bristle brush for that first pass. A couple things I want to highlight when cleaning this material, or any material like this is nubuck, is you want to avoid issues like this. Basically what would happen if we let the shoe dry and we sit it, it's basically going to leave a massive watermark. So when cleaning, if you got stuff like that, you're just going to want to re-clean the shoe. So I'm going to grab the soft brush again and just give it a nice light even pass to prevent any staining like this. All right, I'm all done with that second pass through with our soft bristle brush. Overall, I'm really happy with these results. I know the shoe's wet, so we're not seeing exactly how it looks, but one thing to point out is as I was cleaning the shoe, I didn't see any type of color bleeding or color transfer. Really happy with these results again so far, but right now I gotta use the medium bristle brush. I'm gonna work on this midsole, still see some deeper stains around the back, plus this sock liner. So let's get it, let's go. All right, we're all done using the medium bristle brush on the midsole as well as sock liner. There's not that many deeper stains on the uppers, so I don't need to use it for that. However, the brush is safe enough to use on those materials. Before we proceed to the stiff bristle brush, I do want to talk a little bit about this sneaker, at least this colorway. I know, again, I wasn't the biggest fan of it, but I do like the rollout of what Travis Scott did. This basically is inspired by Travis Scott's high school. He actually gifted the whole graduating class a pair of these sneakers. The next thing you know, these were flooded on StockX and all the after hour markets. But I got a question from you guys. If Travis Scott pulls up to your high school and blesses you with a pair of Travis Scott, are you selling them or are you keeping them? Let us know in the comment section down below. But with that said, let's get on it with the stiff bristle brush. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for the stiff bristle brush. Let's go ahead and get that racked up. Now I'm just gonna wipe off all these suds, see what we're working with. A key thing about our stiff bristle brush is it's gonna work great on your outsoles, get you that nice deep clean, plus your midsoles. If it is a painted midsole, you do not need to use a stiff bristle brush. The medium bristle brush should get the job done. With that said, we can move on to these laces, and I wanna talk specifically about not just this shoelace, but any Travis One shoelace. A lot of the times they are whack, probably can't tell on camera. Fortunate thing, when cleaning a wax shoelace, you're probably gonna wipe off all the wax. I've cleaned several Travis Scott lows in the past, so I know that just happens. So again, if you got laces at home and you wanna keep that wax look, then I probably wouldn't recommend cleaning them. But since these are trashed and destroyed, we gotta make them look right. So with that, we're just gonna dunk them in our bowl of water. All right, what I'm doing right now is using our soft bristle brush to tackle some of those deeper stains, and there were a lot on these yellow laces. High level, looked like we were able to get majority of them off, so that is a plus. The next thing we gotta do is just wait. We gotta set the shoe outside to allow it to fully dry, and then we're gonna come holla at you before you know it. All right, our sneakers are outside, currently drying, which means I got some time today. So with that being said, I wanna talk to you guys about our September giveaway. If you didn't know or you haven't entered yet, you have a chance to win your very own Jordan 4 RM Nigel Sylvester in the driveway gray colorway. Again, to win, all you gotta do is comment down below and let us know your Instagram handle plus what size you grab. And also, if you're a fan of the Bike Airs, we got another project for you guys that's in the works. We are doing a 30-day wear test with Winona Kicks. Currently, he has the Fence green colorway and he's putting some miles in them things. Then he's gonna send them to us. We actually have a pair of the grape colorway that we're getting dirty as well, and we're gonna hit you guys with a double banger on how to clean your Nigel Sylvester's RMs. We wanna know from you guys in the comments, are you a fan of that model? Are you a fan of the low cut version of it? Let us know in the comment section down below. But with all that said, I'm gonna go check on these shoes and see if they're dry. All right, we are back. The shoes are 100% dry. Realistically speaking, we set it outside to dry. It only took us 10 minutes in that good old Arizona sunshine. However, we're not done just yet. Right now, we gotta tap into our Suede Revive bundle, which does come with our dry suede kit, which is a suede eraser and an all-purpose brush, the mink oil, plus a horsehair brush. All three of these products are gonna be key to help revive and rejuvenate this suede. So with that said, let's get on it right now. First things first, dry suede kit. Normally, I would spot clean and tackle any stubborn stains. However, again, this nubuck looks good. I'm not even gonna worry about that. Just get that one out of here, and just gonna use the medium bristle brush. And again, just help reset this nubuck and make it nice and soft, like a baby's bottom. Trust me, I know. I'm a dad. Okay, I prematurely spoke. I do see a small stain in this back area, so I just need to get that suede eraser. Kayla! Thanks. All right, so what I did right now is I just replaced our medium all-purpose brush and just jumped over to our horsehair brush. It's a bigger brush, bigger bristles. It's just gonna help me reset the suede. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but during the resetting of the suede or nubuck process, it typically starts to lighten up and get ashy. No need to worry. Again, that's why we got our mink oil. It's gonna help revive that color. With that said, I'm just gonna use the mink oil right now. All you gotta do is grab your minky poo We normally recommend stepping outside in a well-ventilated area. However, we got a lot of circulation. Giant fan in the back you guys can't see, so we're just gonna go ahead and spray it. Again, a light, even coat around the whole shoe, completely even, like so. It is perfectly okay if you get some on the leather. All you gotta do is really just rub it in. The mink oil is gonna act as a conditioner. Not only does it work good on the suede or nubuck to revive that color, but for the leather, it's just gonna recondition it and make it last longer. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for our Suede Revive bundle. We're done with that brush. We're done with the Minksters, dry suede kit. Get all those things out of here. Right now, we just gotta lace these boys, or should I say girls, up, since this is a women exclusive shoe. Let's get to it. Sheesh, they looking real nice. Let me go ahead and bring in a dirty pair so we can get that side-by-side comparison. As you can see, I got down using our essential shoe cleaning kit. However, the key to this is actually that Suede Revive bundle. That's really allowed us to bring back the suede and bring it back to that original color. Before I dip, I do want to recap exactly how I got these results. First things first, I started with our essential shoe cleaning kit. Used all 3 brushes in the right areas, the right section, broke down all that dirt and grime. Then we put the shoe outside to dry in a well-ventilated area, and we got results that were a little less like this. They were actually a little more ashier, as you saw in the middle of the video. But again, the mink oil allowed us to revive and rejuvenate and bring that color back. All the products in today's video are available at resjuvenator.com. If you stuck around for the end of the video, we got an exclusive promo code just for y'all. Save you guys 20% off. You can get 20% off your essential shoe cleaning kit. You can get 20% off a dry suede kit, 20% off the mink oil, horsehair brush. You get 20% off the whole bundle. Any products, resjuvenator.com for the next 24 hours. All you gotta do is use the promo code Canary20. With all that being said, my name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.